मैं श्रीदेवी जी की फ़ैन रही हूँ। मैं जब से इंडस्ट्री में आई हूँ ना, एंड जस्ट बिफोर आई केम इनटू द इंडस्ट्री, तो उनकी फिल्में देखना, उनको देखना, हाँ, आई यूज्ड टू थिंक शी लाइट्स अप द स्क्रीन। मतलब चाहे वो कॉमेडी कर रही हैं, चाहे वो कुछ भी कर रही हैं स्क्रीन पे, डांस कर रही हैं, तो उनके एक्सप्रेशन देख के मैं वही में, शी वाज अल्टीमेट फॉर मी।
No, but seriously, who's your favorite actress?
My favorite actress? I think Sridevi.
Yeah?
I would have to say, yeah. She's my favorite. I love her. I told her one day, I met her and I told her, I said, you know, you should really open up a school. Because it's amazing that she knows, I mean, if you watch her, she knows everything about her job. It's not really only about standing in front of the camera. She knows what, you know, how she should hold her body to cut her weight, or how she should, you know, stand, face, speak, light. She knows how to light her face.
I always had this vision of Chandani and Lamhe, you know, where the woman was a central protagonist and the whole film revolved around him. So my wish was actually to do that kind of a role with him. So I said, yeah, ji, aapke saath reh ke main chota sa role nahi karna chahungi. You know, I really want to do like how Chandni was and how Lamhe was.
I've been the greatest fan of her.
Who hasn't?
Who hasn't? Exactly.
Who hasn't? Who hasn't?
But she has been my role model. My complete role model. And I think I based my career and everything watching her, learning from her. Oh God, I'm shaking. I'm seriously.
Oh God, what on?
On her professionalism, the way she's groomed herself, on everything about her. It's been just too amazing, really.
दिल में मुश्किल मुश्किल में दिल गुस्ताख दिल थोड़ा संदिल थोड़ा बुज़दिल.
Of course, to start with, I'm not even half as good as Sriji. But just to say, the reason I became an actress, I think the reason why most of my generation became an actress is thanks to the lady standing right here. Please let's hear it for my hero and of course all our hero, Sridevi ji.
मोरनी बागा माँ बोले आजी रात माँ मोरनी बागा माँ बोले आजी रात माँ छनन छन चूड़ियाँ छनन छन चूड़ियाँ खनक गई देख साहिबा चूड़ियाँ खनक गई हाथ माँ मोरनी बागा माँ बोले आजी रात माँ.
I'm sure Rani is truly excited to get this award from Sridevi. I know she's a huge fan.
Thank you, Sriji, for giving me the award. I think I became an actress watching you.
रंगीन पोस्टर मेरा गलियों में दिखाई दे.
The best actor in India today.
Amitabh Bachchan.
The best actress in India today.
Sridevi.
So the lady I'm going to announce is one of my absolute favorite actresses, and I'm sure for millions of people across who love Bollywood films, she is one of those people who literally makes you want to be a part of cinema. Please welcome one of the most incredible actresses we've ever had on celluloid, one and only Sridevi.
Now it's coming. कभी मैं कहूँ, कभी तुम कहो कि मैंने तुम्हें ये दिल दे दिया।
कभी मैं सुनूं, कभी तुम सुनो कि मैंने तुम्हें ये दिल दे दिया।
She is Sridevi, and I just worship the ground on which she walks. So down south, a lot of actresses dabble in comedy, which is why I think Sridevi is fabulous in comedy.
I remember Sridevi in Mr. India in that Charlie Chaplin thing.
That's right.
That was, I could watch that 25 times on the go, you know.
बचपन में जब फैंसी ड्रेस कॉम्पिटिशन होते थे तो मैं हमेशा श्रीदेवी बन के जाती थी, हवा हवाई, एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी दैट शी इज बैक ऑन स्क्रीन. शी इज अमेजिंग टैलेंट एंड इट्स ग्रेट दैट शी इज डन दिस आफ्टर ऑल दीस इयर्स फॉर ऑल हर फैंस.
बहुत बड़ी श्रीदेवी फ़ैन हूँ, ह्यूज फ़ैन ऑफ हर्स. जो मतलब जो रोल्स उन्होंने किए हैं एंड द वे दैट शी हैज़ एक्टेड एंड द वे दैट शी हैज़ परफॉर्म्ड इन चालबाज एंड I mean, what do I say? I'm a huge Sridevi fan. I just love that movie and I love her in it. I can watch that movie 30 times in 1 month.
गलत और बहुत गलत में से चुनना हो तो आप क्या चुनेंगे?